Okay, everybody, welcome. I'm so excited about tonight. And if you are here, you are a member of the Senior Tuber Circle. And what you're being a part of right now is that you are a part of the creator training, live training, which is only a portion of what we offer as the Senior Tuber Circle. And anything you want to know from today forward will be in the directions or description of the replay of this video. So there'll be an orientation section for if you want to know what else is available, where do you contact anybody, what forms and worksheets are available will be in the description. This is our very first event, so I'm very excited that you're here. At the end of this 20 to 30 minute training, we're going to take the recording off and we're going to have a Q&A. So if you could either write your questions in the chat now and I'll read them later, or keep them aside and then raise your hand and you could ask me all your questions. As I said, there'll be orientation playlist in the description once this is on replay, and you'll be notified either by the Senior Tuber Creators Group, that's a private group you belong to. And as I said, all forms that are pertinent, any pertinent material will be in the description, and it'll also be posted in the Senior Tuber Creator page. I'm Fran Asaro. I'm the founder of Senior Tuber and very excited to be one and to help other senior tubers or mature people start and grow a YouTube channel. The reason why we're having this live training is so that people who don't know anything about becoming a YouTube creator have access to a library that is more linear than we've been using in the past. We're about 3 years old and we've been training, but not in a linear fashion. And I want to make it easy for you so that you could just look things up. But this is a growing library, so you'll be seeing things show up. And if you don't see them today, you'll probably see them in the future, which would mean if you don't see something on how to put up a new video, or how to modify a video, or how to change your channel or delete your channel, it'll be here eventually.